Welcome to this Get Grounded meditation. You can do this in any comfortable position. You can be seated or you can be lying down, whatever feels right for you in this moment. And if you're sat down, then if you can have both feet flat on the ground and your feet about hip width apart. And if you're lying down, if you can have your body in a straight line and your palms raised upwards if that's possible, just arms gently resting at the sides. Okay, so inviting you now to close your eyes if that feels right for you, and focusing now on the breath. As you breathe in and out. And not changing the breath in any way, not forcing it, just allowing it to be how it is for you in these moments. And there's an invitation to bring an open awareness to where you are now, to the room that you're in, the temperature, the sounds, the sensations, all the field of sensations around you. And listen and notice. And beginning now with your head, bringing your attention here and pausing for a moment to notice the temperature. Is there a warmth or a coolness that you can feel around your head? And particularly the crown, top, in the middle. You may notice a pulsing or a swirling sensation here. Or you may notice nothing at all, and that is okay, that's a sensation in itself. And moving down to your forehead now. This is an area where we can hold a lot of tension. So inviting this area to smooth and to soften. Moving down to your eyes, noticing the space around and between your eyes, and also the space behind your eyes. And if your eyes are closed, you may notice patterns or colours. And there's an invitation here to imagine a smile on the inside of your eyes. And we know that smiling supports our parasympathetic nervous system. It's our peace, our positivity. Moving down to your cheeks. Noticing how they're connected to your eyes, particularly when you smile. Now to your nose. Noticing the temperature on the tip of your nose. Perhaps a coolness as the air flows in, and a warmth as the air flows out. Down to your mouth now. Having that awareness of the inside of your teeth, your gums, your tongue. Inviting the tongue just to relax. The jaw just to relax. Now to your shoulders and your neck. And feeling your shoulders from the inside. And as you do that, imagining a sense of dissolving here, of ice to water, and then water to gas. And then noticing again what your shoulders feel like on the inside. And if the mind begins to wander, as minds often do, then kindly and without judgment, bring your focus back to your breath as it flows in and out. And now moving down through your upper back, your mid-back, the journey of your spine all the way down to your lower back. Feeling yourself supported by the surface that you sat or you lay upon. And with these next breaths, there's an invitation to let them be received in a softened belly, almost like you're breathing from your navel for this breath. And this one too. And now moving to your legs, noticing the length and the density of them. The bone, the muscle, the fibres, and all the spaces in between. And now down to your ankles, feeling your ankles on both sides and on the inside too. And now to your feet. Your heels may be resting against something, or they may be flat upon the floor. Feeling the weight and the density here, compared with perhaps a lightness in the arch of the foot. And then noticing any sensations on the top of your foot. As we stretch forward to the toes. It may be that you notice space between some of your toes, or that they're touching. And maybe there's a pulsing or a temperature in the tips of your toes too. Noticing and listening to the aliveness that's here. And bringing your awareness now to your chest, to your heart center. Noticing what it feels like as the breath flows in and out from this place. Maybe there's an openness, an ease of flow, breath moving in and breath moving out. Or perhaps there's a heaviness, a stickiness, and it's not so easy to move the breath in and out. And there's no forcing, no pushing the breath here, just allowing everything to flow, breathing as you have done for all of your life. And as we begin to move towards the end of this practice now, staying in our heart center and bringing to our awareness that sense of compassion and self-care, that we're able to show ourselves in these moments by allowing all parts to be rather than do. And if your eyes are closed, then gently tilt your head forward and gradually let the light of the room back in. And you may like to bring some small movements to your hands, to your feet, maybe a gentle shoulder roll. Thank you.